Okay, next we have the trash can. And the trash can's bottom circle is 16 inches or 8 inches radius. Type in 8 inches. And we know the thickness of the trash can is 1/2 inch, so we'll again use offset. And this time it's going to be a 0.5 inch offset. Push-pull the outside ring. So again, we need to get into that gap right there and lift that 2 feet. And we'll taper the sides. So I'm going to double click this top ring. And what I would need to have happen there is to get both rings blue. The top ring is 18 inches, and the ratio of 18 to 16 is 1.125. We'll keep that number in mind. So I'm going to press S for scale. I'm going to hold my control key down. I'm going to start dragging this bigger. I'm going to leave my control key held down for a second, and I'm going to let go of my mouse button. And then I'm going to let go of control after that. And now I'm going to type 1.125 and hit enter. And that should have given my tapered sides. Let's check it with our dimension tool. This should be 18 inches up here, and sure enough, 1 foot 6 inches or 18 inches. We should have 16 inches down here. We should have a height of 2 feet. That's not what I wanted. I need to get this line to turn blue, just like that. Oh, I've got a slope here. So that's going to be a little trickier to dimension. I guess I'm not too worried about that after all. There's probably a good way to do it. Maybe if I use my dimension tool and click at the top and then come down to the bottom. No, that's not going to work either. That's okay. I do want to do one more thing though. Remember, the thickness of the trash can is supposed to be a 1/2 inch on the bottom as well. So I'm going to come around in here and click on the bottom, push pull and lift that 0.5 inches as well. And if you press the letter K, then you can see that hidden geometry, or those inside dimensions, and you can show us that you did a thickness there as well. Sometimes that's just annoying, seeing those dotted lines. Now you know the K makes it show up or go away. Okay, there's our trash can.